Okay, so if you are looking for a unique type of beehive, I'll encourage you to go the route of the logs, because I think that these are going to last a lot longer, more durable, better insulation, and just leave the bees alone to do their thing. Let them pollinate, and if you're lucky you might get a bit of honey, but I think this is the way to go. So if you need a log beehive, give me a call. You'll see the number or the link in the description. Thank you. So hoping that this rot here goes all the way 4 feet, make the job a lot easier for the chainsaw and for the chisel. Here locally, and I've opted to go for logs that have that are already kind of rotten in the center there, because it's a lot easier really to hollow out. I tried the chainsaw on a new cut and it was pretty dangerous, so I just didn't want to worry about kickback from the saw. Hopefully this is going to be a little bit easier. We're about to find out. Also, I talked with Jonathan Powell from the Natural Beekeeping Trust in England, and his suggestion is that we go for up to about 12-inch diameter and about 24 inches in, which I think is about 10 gallons. Hopefully I'm right. And what else? And around here, the thickness of the walls is like between 6 and 9 inches. 9 inches at this part and this part here. So let's give it a crack and see what happens. Okay, so that literally took me about 5 minutes to gut out. That's why I recommend getting a hold of these trunks that are hollow like this, and there are plenty of them. All you have to do is just contact your local arborist and they'll be more than willing to help you out. Okay, I have this pretty much hollowed out. I took this an axe, and I took away some of the dead stuff around the sides here, and it's created a pile down below. I'm not sure, I was planning on just keeping it lying there. Okay, this is so you can see the pile down below. I felt like, well, I'm just gonna leave that as insulation as well. And there was a guy, I can't remember his name right now, some guy from Ireland who was talking about fungus and how that might help combat varroa. So I'm gonna leave, I was gonna torch this, but I'm not gonna torch it anymore, if that's the case. Carve this out here. Just gonna slot that in there. And we are done. Just gonna put the roof on and we're finished. But, you know, didn't take that long to do, really. There's that bloody nail, have to take that out. Isn't that interesting, that nail? It's where it starts in here, I guess. And I counted those rings, and it's about 25 years, I think, roughly. Same for over here. There was a nail right there, and it stops. So then I counted all the way back. A little bit of history. So we are set for my first bee log.